Damn, I can't see. What my headlights at? How y'all turn the headlights? Take it slow. Damn. Damn. I'm in an M2 motherfucker, man. Bro, am I just trash? Whoa, what's going on? Why am I going so fucking fast? Oh no, bro. Maybe I am trash. Thank you. Yeah, F you, boy. Get out of there. God damn, bro. I be in a car accident, bro. Let me get in front of this Crown Vic. I wasn't able to get in front of the Crown Vic, bro. Hey, so it's your boy, let's see what it is. We back in another video today, man. We on something new. We on that set of corsa, no hesi server, and we finna get right into it, man. So I got the beautiful G87 M2, and we finna go crazy, man. So I just got these cut up servers, like I say, damn, I ain't got my headlights on. I got this shit probably like, oh, we gonna act like that ain't happen. Look, that ain't happen. I got this probably like 2-3 days ago. But I just upgraded my RAM and stuff, so now I've got a much smoother experience. Let me goddamn tap in with y'all folk for real. Cause I'm like that. Let me move it. Hold up. I'm like that. Why we going so fucking fast? Oh, no. I did that. Shh. Everybody shh. Damn. That was just rude. Alright, bro. Alright, okay. Alright, I'm gonna get back. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I set up straight. Oh, you know what? We gonna go back to pits because I can't. I can drive. I promise y'all. We out of there now. Look, this is easy. It's easy. It's light work. We up out of there. Get about that jam. Out of there. I can't see shit. Damn, I can't see. What my headlights at? How y'all turn the headlights on? Man, one thing about set of corsa, bro, you gotta bind everything, bro. I gotta bind my headlights. I can't see a goddamn thing. We out of there though. We ain't gonna let the darkness stop us, bro. Cause when you a pro driver like me, bro, you don't need lights, bro. Lights are for noobs, bro, beginners, bro. Look at this. Oh shit. God damn it. Listen, bro. Like, I call that reverse entry. Let me see. You gotta be able to hit that mud like that. Y'all ain't no drivers for real. Y'all may hit that if y'all wanted to. For real. Cause we out there. We out of there. We're gonna take this left right here. This middle up in here. Right? We gonna take this cause we like this, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. Y'all don't even be driving for real life, bro. We like this. Oh shit. But this is practice. I mean, this is just oh damn, they said, damn, I crashed that bad. Bro said they sound crashed out. They said I'm crashed out. That's crazy. I ain't like that. I ain't like how they just disrespect me like that. So let me turn up on these folk real quick. Hold up. Let me get right on these folk. Cause they really think I'm not like that. Like I'm gonna be out here in these streets for real. It'd be 10 times better if I had headlights. You know what I'm saying? But I don't. So we just in here. You know, brakes are essential, bro. Maybe let me use my brakes. God damn. Bro, I promise y'all I can drive, bro. I know it don't look like it. Damn. Okay, see, nah, somebody hit me, bro. Somebody hit me. What the hell? See, look at his ass in the rearview mirror. Look at retard. Oh, no, look at stupid. I can't say that word, y'all. I can't say that word, bro. They ban me every time. Hold up. Yo, what the? Nah, bro. Let me tap in for real. Damn. How was I supposed to tap into that? We still in here, though. But maybe if I could see. I can't see a goddamn thing. I need my headlights and shit. We're gonna tap in though. Just cause you fast don't mean that you good type shit. You gotta take it slow. Oh, that's a little love tap. Love tap ain't never help nobody. I'm gonna slide through here cause I can. Hey, you talking about? I'm in an M2 motherfucker, man. M2, y'all be in them scats and them cats, but I be in that M2. I'm telling y'all. Oh, breaking in this car is crazy. I'll slide right through here, slide right through there. No love taps, be in there bit though. Talk to me nice, don't talk to me though. Talk to me nice, don't talk to me though. I'm in there. Oh, I'm in there. Hey, you talking about? I'm in there, like somewhere. You gonna cut right through here? Nope. Oh yeah, I'm in there. I'm telling y'all, bro, I'm like that. I cannot see, bro. I need my headlights on. Oh, we're in a tunnel. God damn it. We holding it down though, Queen, that M2 motherfucker, man. I'm telling y'all. Damn. Okay, we still in there. Damn, this shit fast. Alright, we in there though. I technically didn't mess up. Y'all didn't see it. I ain't see it. I need some water. I ain't got water right there. Oh, whoa, whoa. Gonna make this cut right here. Whoop. I missed it. How did I miss that cut, bro? Guess you cut up this M4. We're gonna try to. Damn, he really just took off on me. What the? Oh. See, I messed up trying to follow him. Like, why did he take the shoulder? Why did he take? Damn. Damn. I'm holding it. I lose control. Bro, am I just trash? Whoa, what's going on? Damn, do I just suck? Okay. Nah, I'm gonna show y'all how not trash I am. I really like that. I hate I gotta tell y'all. I hate I gotta show y'all that I'm really low. My fault. I hate I gotta show y'all I'm really like that. Hold on, let me talk to y'all real quick. Out of there. I'm out of there. I'm gone. Big racks. They long. Why am I going so fucking fast? Oh no, bro. There we go. That's what I meant to do, and I did it. Because when you put your mind to something, you just do it type shit. Inspiration. Oh my gosh. Let me tap in for real, man. Love tap in, never hurt nobody. Oh, love tap in, never hurt nobody. I'm in there. God damn. Maybe I am trash, bro. Let me tap in for real, bro. I'm really playing with y'all. That's how I really like that. I just gotta focus. I just gotta really focus. Let me get right. God damn it. Bro, there's no way, bro. Here's daytime, but daytime coming in, maybe I'll be able to see a little better tight. That's all I needed, bro. Daytime to come in so I can see a little better. That's all I needed, bro. I'm telling y'all, I really like that. God damn it. Maybe I lied. Okay, let me tap in for real. Oh my God. We in there though. Keep it nice, keep it tight. I be god damn it. I'm in there. Stop hitting me. Don't hit me. Thank you. Yeah, F you, boy. Get out of there. I'm gone, bro. I didn't do that on purpose. I promise you I didn't. It's all love. At the end of the day, we all BMW owners. It's all love. I feel like it'd be too late. Once you gotta slow down, it'd be too late. You going 160 something miles an hour, bro. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I hit him for sure. Oh shit. It's a GTR. No. Fuck, bro. How was I supposed to see that? Bro, he's gonna send back the pits. How am I supposed to see that? See, bro, that's insane. This might be a better camera angle, bro. Look at the flames, bro. I'm already going way too fast. Damn, I should cut through there. I done fucked up. It's a different type of speed, man. Why'd I do that? I don't know. This is a different type of speed, though, for real. Should've broke. Damn. Bro, I mean, I be fucking this car up, bro. We out of there. We gone. Bit rats, stay long. Holy fucking shit. God damn it. Oh my gosh. Okay. There we go. I can see a little better like this. Oh, we on him though. I don't like following people, bro, cause they cuts be crazy. Let me tap in though. You ain't gotta go balls to the wall fast. You know what I'm saying? This car behind me is coming on my arse. And I don't like that. Why you following me? Why? Don't follow me. There we go. He crashed out. He not like that. I'm out of there though. Am I gonna catch up to this? Oh, took the wrong cut. God damn it. Shit. God damn, bro. I be in a car accident, bro. Bro, there's no way my car, bro. Do y'all cars just be that bad, bro? There's no way my shit is that intense. Let me get in front of this Crown Vic. I wasn't able to get in front of the Crown Vic, bro. You got it, Prius. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, let me tap in. 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 Oh my gosh, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? God damn it! That wasn't even my fault that time, bro. We out of there, bro. That wasn't even my fault that time, bro. These folk that don't know how to drive, for real. He crashed out, so I broke because that's what you're supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? Like, why am I... I don't want anybody following me, bro, because I'm going to mess up. We in that fifth gear special, bro. We in that fifth gear special, bro. We're going to take this shoulder because we can. There we go. Let's make it to the tunnel, man. Let's make it to the tunnel. God damn it. Okay. Shit. God damn it. There we go. There we go. Go, go, go. God damn it. Move out the way, bro. We made it to the tunnel finally, bro. Yeah, we finally made it to the tunnel. We finally made it to the tunnel, y'all. Who just hit me, man? Let me know if y'all want more videos like this, man. If this video do good, I might do more videos. If this video don't do good, I might still do more videos because I do what I want. But yeah, man. If you ain't got you one, you better get you one of these G87 M2. If you ain't got you one, you better get you one. Damn. I've got you one to get you one. If you ain't got you one, you better get you one because I might give you one. Cause if I give you one before you get you one, then I'm to the city up. I'm to the track up. I'm to the highway up. I'm telling that. Cause we cut up and track for real. So we out there bit free.